it's Alana Baroni on eHow, and here are my entertaining tips. When throwing a party, have a tray of signature cocktails at the front door for guests to grab on their way in. Here's a recipe created exclusively for maximum flirting. It's called the Flirtini. Here's what you'll need: vodka, some cranberry juice, a little bit of peach schnapps, some sparkling wine or champagne, a cocktail shaker, and a cocktail glass, and grab all the attitude you can. Pour all the ingredients except the sparkling wine into an ice-filled cocktail shaker. So you're going to need your vodka, peach schnapps, cranberry juice, this is the fun part. You gotta promise me that you're gonna shake this with a little bit of attitude. It's the fun stuff. Then smoothly pour into the cocktail glass with a little bit of attitude. Top with a splash of sparkling wine. Garnish with a Flirtini coaster. And serve with your best French accent. Voilà, mon chéri. And there's your Flirtini.